Hello and welcome to Cooking on the Ridge. Today we're going to use our new Pampered Chef electric pop and stir, which is part of our new fall lineup, to make some popcorn. So it comes with a use and care guide, and it also comes with a quick start guide. And the really cool thing in that quick start guide, it's actually got, see it, there's got QR codes where you can go in there and get special recipes for different things. Okay, well, we're just going to do a simple popcorn recipe today. So we're going to start off by removing this little lid here. Take the big lid off. Now this popcorn popper, electric pop and stir, has cord storage underneath. So you can just take the cord out and plug it into your power source. Once you get it plugged into your power source, then what you want to do is add your popcorn, and it calls for a half a cup. You don't want to use more than a half a cup, even though this has a lot of room in it. This is going to be end up being your bowl. It's got a lot of room, but if you use more than a half a cup, the concern is that it'll blow the top off the popper and popcorn will start spilling out all over. You just don't want that. So you kind of spread this around evenly across the surface, and then you put 2 tablespoons of oil in. I'm using canola oil here, but you can use any kind of oil that's suitable for popping corn. And then you place the lid back on. Okay, and make sure it's seated good. Okay, and then you turn your switch to pop, and it starts. Turn your switch to pop, and it starts moving the popcorn around in the popper. Hopefully you could see that okay. But it'll start moving that around, and then it'll heat the element up underneath it and get it nice and hot, and it'll start popping here shortly. Now, if you wanted to, it's actually got vents up here on the top. You could put some butter on top here if you like butter with your popcorn. My wife and I don't really care for it, but you could if you wanted to. Put your butter up here, and the heat coming off, the steam coming off, would actually melt the butter down and evenly distribute it over the popcorn as the popcorn is in the process of popping. This is also very easy to clean. The plate that's there that the popcorn sits on is dishwasher safe. Now the element here at the bottom is not, but the plate that's in there, there's a little nut on the top of that. You take that off, and then you can take that little wire piece that goes around, take it off, and those 2 items can also go into the dishwasher, along with the cover and the lid. Can all dishwasher safe, and the heating element's the only thing that's not, but you don't really get anything down into the heating element because everything's up above that. But the tray that the popcorn sits on and moves around on is actually super easy to clean without throwing it in the dishwasher. You can very easily hand wash it and literally just kind of wipe it down, and you're ready to go again. It's very simple to use. Even when you make candied nuts in it, you know, you get that that stickiness and stuff that comes right off. I mean, it really is probably one of the easiest cleaning products I've seen in a while. But like I said, this is part of our new fall lineup, and it makes popcorn. It'll make candied nuts. It can make nuts with different spices in them. So you just kind of let your imagination run wild. I've seen everything from cashews to almonds to pecans to mixed nuts. You know, just whatever you want to use, you can do that. And if you think about it, you know, the holiday season's coming up here before too long, and you can hear it starting to pop now, hopefully. Holiday season's coming up pretty quickly here, so things like small bags of popcorn or little tins of candied nuts or little containers of candied nuts and stuff like that make nice little little small gifts, stocking stuffer type gifts for the holiday season. So. And when it makes the candied nuts, you don't have the lid on it. Obviously, you don't need to because the candied nuts don't pop. It gives the house such an amazing smell. If you've ever walked through a shopping mall or a fall festival or something like that where they're doing those candied nuts, you know the smell I'm talking about. It's just absolutely incredible, the smell. And it will fill your whole house up with that to make it smell, to me it smells like the holidays. It's just beautiful. So this popcorn popper is the electric pop and stir. It does just about like any other popper. When you get to the point to where you're hearing, a few seconds between pops, that's when you know it's done, and you turn it off. And we'll put the lid back on it because we're going to turn the lid upside down. I'm going to show you how all that works in a second. I'm going to get me a couple of little grips where I can grab this because it might be slightly hot. So do that. Hold on. So these are Pampered Chef's microwave grippers. They work really well for this. I'll show you in just a second how we'll accomplish this. Okay, I think that's about it. All right, so like I said, first thing you do is you put the lid on, and then you turn it until it seats. Okay, then you just grab this side here, both sides, and you lift the whole thing off, and you invert it. Okay. Get this where I can get a hold of it good. And then there's the top part, and then that can go into the dishwasher or to the sink. And that's basically it. You got your serving bowl right there, and your popcorn's ready to go. Very good. All right. So thank you again for joining us on Cooking on the Ridge. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you could, subscribe. That helps the channel out. Don't have to, of course. Just enjoy the videos. That's what I really want you to do. Like I said, the links to the popcorn popper or the electric pop and stir will be down below, so you'll be able to order that if you'd like to. It is available as of right now on our website. All right, so thank you very much. Have a great day.